Kublai pi perlok subscribers berkumju ngai kublai kelum lang ya baro kat ki bayu i bat bay ya channel kita ki baklam bat subscribe ru ngas ngoban kentu ba pin ya subscribe kana wa penyu i ya ki video ki bangan sa upload tma ya kana channel te ya kana kapor ko abra ka chi betip se phi iwai kat ki bayu i ya kana ka video ba lesi dan apa pi ki bakwa ban apply ya kita ki post ki barang apply ka Meghalaya Public Service Commission Lower Lishmer Shillong katkum ko notification kepala penmi akan lai putar benai mi arjar pesan kalau code online application ya ki eligible candidate na kamta kini ki post harum ka post number pan kong ke post subdivisional officer assistant or assistant engineer civil under PHE department kajik siu kan available 15 te kakadan puli kita pun pendap ya ke BE BTech Civil BE lane BTech in Civil Engineering from recognized university or institute or it equivalent. Te kababiru kumju assistant engineer civil gazetted group A under public work department. Te ka educational qualification kana kalong kanju hi. Kipos kilong kumne kawai nam taka UR kategori santali nam taki khasi jaintia sautali nam taki karu baro long shipotali nata kana bah po ka papi pade artali chungki UR nyotali chungki khasi jaintia bat nyotali nam taki karu bat kawai nam taki chungki UST SC lan SC te baro long kan nyotali te total baro kan long ar po nyotali kini te kapusir nam baro ba ar pade post joka subdivisional officer or assistant engineer electrical under PHE department kan ka si ko level 15 te ka kadan puli kita pernah pendapat ke PE dan BTech in electrical engineering from recognized university or institute ka post jongki UR ka we kasih janti artali garo lai tali baro ndreu tali ya ka bayade bat ka age relaxation nam ka post number baningkong age will be calculated with reference haka chitrik pranayam arajara person and should have attained the age of 21 years to 32 years so age relaxation kan don sans nam kumbaju long barabor te kador pun apply kini post long saus pa andro pau baru artali te nam taki SC/ST kan long shiteng dor half trade te ki syllabus kapayade but ini ki post kilong jongka post subdivisional officer lane assistant engineer kane ki set lies pa mak san pho general english san pho general knowledge but arts pa nakam ta ki civil engineer degree level te ka post jongka subdivisional officer assistant engineer electrical PHE department kane san pho general english san pho general knowledge but arts pa nam ta ki electrical engineering kane long rais pa kane ro ka tarik bakadu ban apply ka post kan lo ka shitrik pra Julai arajar rusan takum ta perlo kublashibun